Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by drawing the axes immediately, horizontal for quantity, vertical for price. Label them Q and P and pick units that match your data, for example, units and dollar per unit. Once done, set even scale ticks so plotted points fall on the grid. This avoids distortion. Make sure the origin and expected maximums are visible, because lining up scale and labels early prevents reworking the graph later and keeps your slope calculations accurate. Next, plot your data points for demand and supply. For demand, place points so quantity rises as price falls and draw a smooth downward sloping line that shows marginal willingness to pay. For supply, place points so quantity rises as price rises and draw an upward sloping line that reflects marginal cost. Once both lines are drawn, add different colors and markers and include a clear legend so the viewer immediately distinguishes demand versus supply. Finally, identify the intersection point where the demand and supply curves cross. That's the market equilibrium. Read off equilibrium price and quantity by drawing dashed guidelines to the axes and label them P** and Q*. Once labeled, annotate any shifts or comparative statics if needed. If the curves don't intersect sensibly, recheck axes scaling and data points, rescale evenly or replot the outlier points, because misscaling is the most common plotting error.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.